Hello everyone, welcome to the next lesson of Learning with Sim. In today's lesson we're going to learn how to make compliment to the person you like or asking some personal questions, but in 4 languages. So grab your notebook and pen and let's start this lesson together. Well, when you see someone for the first time and you are interested in knowing where that person is coming from, in English you simply ask, "Where are you from?" And the person answers, "I'm from," well, the name of the place. In Russian we say откуда ты, and the person answers "Я из" and the name of the place. Okay, so in Persian we say کجایی هستی, and the person answers "Man," the name of the place, and the word am at the end. In Persian language, Russia is Rusya. So, if the person wants to say that I'm from Russia, he or she should say "Man Rusam." Rus, the nationality, and am at the end means I belong to that nationality. I belong to that country. Okay? So, it would be I'm Russian. Man Rusam. In Spanish, when someone wants to know where are you from, they ask ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? And the person answers Yo soy de and the name of the place. So if I want to say I'm from Iran, I will say Soy de Irán. Soy de Irán. Let's check it out together once again. In English we say, "Where are you from?" I'm from Iran. In Russian we say, "Откуда ты?" Я из Ирана. In Persian we say, کجایی هستی? ایرانیم. And in Spanish we say, ¿De dónde eres? Soy de Irán. Okay, so these phrases are actually pretty practical when you first meet someone and you're interested to know more details about that person, so you definitely ask where they are from. Okay, so make sure you write it down and learn it and pronounce it right. Okay, the next phrase is, how old are you? You asked already about the person's name, about where is that person from, and now you're actually interested in knowing how old that person is. Okay, so in English we ask, how old are you? How old are you? And well, the answer is I'm, well, for example, a number. For example, I'm 27. In Russian we say сколько тебе лет? Сколько тебе лет? And the person answers, well, мне, for example, 27 лет. Мне 27 лет. Okay, we're not working on numbers right now, so don't worry if you don't know the numbers. It's going to be okay. We're going to learn step by step. In Persian we say چند سالته? چند سالته? And the person answers 27 سالمه. Okay. And in Spanish we say ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? And the answer is Tengo 27 años. Tengo 27 años. this is how you ask about the age of the person. Okay, make sure you write it down and pronounce it right and learn it because it's pretty practical as well. The next phrase is actually a kind of making compliment and flirting at the same time, probably. If you like someone and you want them to know that you like them, you can simply say, I like you. In English, it's I like you. In Russian, we say, ты мне нравишься. Ты мне нравишься. In Persian, we say, ازت خوشم میاد. ازت خوشم میاد. In Spanish, we say, me gustas. Me gustas. Okay, so once again together in English, I like you. In Russian, ты мне нравишься. In Persian, ازت خوشم میاد. And in Spanish, me gustas. It's, a kind of expressing your feelings for someone. So make sure you really like that person. Because once you say this, there's no way to take it back.
Oh, snap.
In conclusion, in today's lesson, we learned how to express our feelings, how to make compliments to someone, and how to ask personal questions when we first see someone and we want to have a conversation with them, using basic phrases. Okay, so that's pretty much for today. I think it's enough for today. Till the next lesson, goodbye, adios, пока, khodafez.